Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing my... What month is this? May? Wow. My May Pop in a Box. And for those of you that are new to Pop in a Box, it is a monthly subscription service of, yes, you called it, Funko Pops. So basically what you do is you go on the website and you choose what monthly subscription service you want. So they have 1 Pops, which are the ones that I get, 2 Pops, 3 Pops, 6 Pops, and I think 12 Pops. So I pay, I think around $13. I will leave it here on the screen for what I pay, including shipping, and I am Canadian. So that's what I pay for 1 Funko Pop. I am considering picking a 2 or a 3 for 1 month because I really have been enjoying this service so far, which I'm super excited to unbox with you guys. I have not opened it. I haven't even cut the tape this month. I've been a little bit behind, so I kind of just threw it in the corner and I was like, I need to film this now. Basically, if you are new to Pop in a Box, all you gotta do is sign up, pick your subscription, pick however many Pops you want, go through their entire website. They have over like 7,000 Pops, and pretty much what you're gonna do is thumbs up, thumbs down, or say that you already have it in your collection, and they get a wide variety of what you like and what you don't like. Anything you thumbs down, they put in a black room and they're like, we're not gonna touch this. And that is what they have stood by. So far everything that I have gotten, I have thumbs up, but one, my Wreck-It Ralph one that I did get, I did end up thumbsing it up, but then I went back and thumbs it down and they still sent it to me, so I don't know how that goes. I'm super excited to see what's in here. But I'm just gonna stop rambling on. If you guys have any questions about it, just comment down below. I will totally reply to you guys and answer as many questions as I possibly can. And without further ado, let's get to seeing what I got. I got my handy dandy tweezers because I apparently don't own scissors ever. But they work just fine. Okay, I'm just gonna open a tad. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna let you guys see it first. These things are always so hard to open. Okay, I got it. Are you ready? Who did I get? Ooh, I got another Wreck-It Ralph one. I can see from the back. Oh my god. As I throw it, I got Taffeta. That is so cool. This is from Ralph Breaks the Internet. And last time I got Yes. And then now I have Taffeta. I'm super excited. I did thumbs up this one and Wreck-It Ralph and Vanellope and Fix-It Felix. I don't really want any of the other Pops. More just interested in these ones, and she is super cute, super badass. She got her little crossed arms going on, her little cute little hat. Oh my god, and this box is in pretty much mint condition, which is one thing that I really like from them. So I am super happy with this. So this is definitely something that I did thumbs up, I know for sure. So thank you so much, Pop in a Box. And I definitely think it's worth it. It's cute. I don't always buy myself Pops. I do have certain collections that I collect. I'm not someone who kind of just collects them from whatever. So I am super thrilled with this, and it's nice to always have a surprise in the mail. So that's so cool. So if you guys wanted to sign up for Pop in a Box, I will leave a link in the description box below, and that is also going to save you some coin off your subscription or any of your purchases. So if you wanted to buy anything or sign up for it, the link will be in the description box below. If you did want to see what I got last 2 months, I will leave them linked in the cards up above. You guys can go check that out, and I also will make a playlist of all of my unboxings, as well as comment down below if you think I should up my service and maybe get 2 or 3 Pops next month. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!